Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Pages and selecting a template that matches your goal. Pick a blank or a built-in layout to save time. Once chosen, name the document and decide whether to save to iCloud or local drive so versions sync or stay private. Make sure auto-save is on. This prevents loss. Now scan the toolbar. You'll use Format, Arrange, and Media. These are your primary controls to insert text, images, and layout blocks. You'll add content by typing directly or inserting text boxes for flexible placement. Use the Format sidebar to apply paragraph and character styles so your headings stay consistent. Then drag images from photos or insert choose. Pages intelligently wraps text. Adjust wrap settings to fit. Once elements are placed, use Arrange to align, distribute, and lock items. This keeps layout stable. Repeat for charts or shapes, and always check spacing and font hierarchy to ensure readability. Finish by exporting or sharing. Choose File Export to and pick PDF, Word, or EPUB depending on the recipient. PDF preserves layout and fonts. For live collaboration, hit Collaborate and invite contacts. Make sure permissions are set correctly. If something goes wrong, like missing fonts or layout shifts, export to PDF as a quick fix. Alternatively, embed fonts or open on the same Mac OS version. Finally, save a copy and verify the final file before sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.